everybody, we're going to talk about pre-approval and why it's important to do it ahead of time before you see a property.
One of the main reasons it's important for you to have a pre-approval is for your own benefit, to know what your budget is. So when you're out shopping with Bobby, you know exactly what you can afford and how much it's going to cost you on a monthly payment and for cash to close.
And it's great because if you do see a home you like, we can make an offer, we'll have the pre-approval, so we'll have the ammunition to go right in and be one of the top qualified persons to be able to get this property.
In some cases, you actually need it in order for you to see a property. And one of the things that I do once you submit your offer is that I will reach out to the listing agent to let them know that we've done a full pre-approval, I have all of your income documentations, and how quickly we can close the loan.
And if your pre-approval is more than 90 days, you should get it updated. Things change. You never know what happens with your employment or with credit. And we also want to check that because we've had people buy things through escrow and it's on their credit and it does hurt your credit score. So we want to make sure that that's the same as when you started.
So make sure you check out our do's and don'ts video for buying a home.
Exactly. If you guys have any more questions to get pre-approval, just reach out to us. We can help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.